Good evening, friends and neighbors. It's John. I'm sorry to be coming to you so late, but it's you're up. I didn't wake you. I'm just here to keep you company while you are awake. Today, like every other day in the world, is a holiday, and I want to wish you happy holidays. Today's March the 14th. If you write that out, it's 3/14, 3/14. It's Pie Day. When I was in school, Miss Kathy Thurman taught me all about it. Pie, 3.14, and it just keeps going forever, she said. If you've got any questions about it, holler at her. She'd tell you better than I can. Pie Day. Can she bake a cherry pie, Billy boy, Billy boy? Can she bake a cherry pie, charming Billy? She can bake a cherry pie quick as a cat can wink his eye. She's a young thing and cannot leave her mother. I learned that when I was in first grade, I think. Miss Louise Childress taught us that at school. And then there's another pie song. Bradley Kincaid sung this one 100 years ago, this old song, and it was old then. Oh, how I like gooseberry pie, says I. I'll sing of its praise till I die. Since the time of the flood, there's been nothing so good as a big piece of gooseberry pie. But there's another holiday today, a whole bunch of them really, but I just learned that it's Dog Theft Awareness Day. Came as a shock to me. I've always known that dogs were associated with lying, lie like a yellow dog, you know. But I didn't realize how widespread this thieving problem was. I've heard about the dogs that come and steal your eggs, and I know they'll steal your shoe and things like that. I didn't know it was such a widespread thing that they got a holiday for it. National Dog Theft Awareness Day. And there's a song for that. Johnny Cash wrote this one. Well, he's not very handsome to look at. He's shaggy and eats like a hog, and he's always killing my chickens. The dirty old egg-sucking dog. Egg-sucking dog. I'm gonna stomp your head in the ground if you don't stay out of my hen house. You dirty old egg-sucking hound. Now if he don't stop eating all my eggs up, though I'm not a real bad guy, I'm gonna take my rifle and send him to the big chicken house in the sky. Everybody, egg-sucking dog. I'm gonna stomp your head in the ground if you don't stop eating my chickens. You dirty old egg-sucking hound. You tell them dogs they've been warned. Stomp her head in the ground if you have to. You got to make an example out of them. It's the only way. Have a good evening. Happy holidays.